हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। आई एम जितेंद्र पटेल। आज का टॉपिक है सिरप के प्रकार के बारे में। द सिरप may be divided into two groups। दो ग्रुप में डिवाइडेड है। सिरप prepared by simple solution and admixture, e.g. syrup, granule syrup, orange syrup, and syrup lemon। syrup IP sucrose 667 grams, purified water sufficient to proceed 100 grams, and sucrose to purified water and heat in the dissolved source with the oxidation stirring cool. It may add more to purified water to make required weight। Grain syrup IP strong grain tincture 50 ml plus syrup sufficient to produce 100 ml mixer। सेकेंड होता है सिरप मेड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्शन टोलू सिरप आईपी टोलूग्राम 12.5 grams, sucrose 660 grams, purified water and sufficient to proceed up 100 grams। Add boiling purified water to the tallow bolus contained into the torch volume convert the vessel light and valve the container contains granule for the half an hour। Stirring requiredly add purified water to adjust the specified weight cooling and feature the solutions and add sucrose heat on a water both to dissolve the sucrose finally and sufficient purified water to produce on the requiredly volume। Syrup are the known used for the formulation of antibiotics and